Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. Super excited to share this with you purely because it has been highly requested by you to show you how to make a small pot of base gravy. So here it is. So these are the ingredients I will be using. I'm not going to go through them with you purely because they are listed on the description box. So go ahead, check those out and let's get cooking. Okay guys, welcome to how to make a small pot of base gravy. First things first, we're going to get some hot pan and we're going to add some oil. So about half a cup of oil. We're going to add our whole spices and then we're going to fry them for about 30 seconds or so as soon as they start crackling. There we go, in goes our ginger and garlic paste. That was 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Just going to fry them for a couple of minutes. That's great, so it's been a couple of minutes now, so we're going to add in our spices. Again, all the ingredients are listed on in the description box. Just in case you are watching, so the ingredients were 1 teaspoon of mixed curry powder, half a teaspoon of coriander, cumin, chili, haldi powder, garam masala, as well as 1 teaspoon of salt. But again, they are listed in the description box, guys. So in goes our tomato puree now. So again, that was 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, slightly watered down. And what we're going to do now is cook the masala for about 6 to 8 minutes. Just really infuse the spices. Keep the heat on medium to high. add some hot water and get the spices cooking again. Guys, look at the colour of this base already, absolutely amazing. Don't worry about the oil, you can always remove the oil towards the end, but it's really good to have it now so it can get cooked, it cooks nicely. Okay guys, it's been about 6 minutes or so since the spices have been cooking, and this smells really nice already guys, absolutely amazing. What we're going to do now, we are going to add in carrots and onion. What I've done with the onion, I've chopped it slightly, well I've sliced it really, so you can do the same. It will just cook quicker. So in goes our pepper. And the coriander. Right, so what we're going to do now, put it on high heat. Put it on high heat and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on high heat. In about a couple of minutes guys, as you can see the onions have started to soften. So what we're going to do now is add in hot water and let that just simmer away or cook away for about 45 minutes to an hour. So I'm just going to top it up, there we go. Lid's going to go on, and then just let that cook on medium heat, give it the occasional stir, and I'll see you guys back in about 45 minutes to an hour. Okay guys, so it's been about 20-25 minutes. This small pot of base gravy's been cooking away. As you can see, the water that we use is dried up, so what we're going to do, and the onions are softening, which is great. And this actually smells really nice guys. So what we're going to do now is add more water. Again, just going to top it up, because it is just going to reduce as it cooks down anyway. But we just don't want to burn. So again, if it does, just cover it back up to the top and let it cook. I'm going to leave that back on medium heat now. And see you guys soon. Okay guys, so this is our base gravy. Small pot base gravy has been cooking for about hour 15, 1 hour 20 minutes now. As you can see, there it is. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to let it cool down, and then I'm just going to give it a blitz. But before we do that, I'm just going to get all the big bay leaves, cardamom and so forth out. Anything smaller you can leave it if you're happy for your blender to get that done. There we go, get the cinnamon stick out as well. Okay guys, here we go. Let's get our base gravy on the go. Okay guys, you want it to be about a smooth paste. So it takes about a few minutes. Make sure your saucepan is deep enough for it. So you want a smooth paste, just like this. And this is our base gravy done. So what we're going to do now, as you can see, it's slightly thick at the moment, so we're going to add some water. There's about 2 litres of base gravy here. So there we go, we're just going to add some water just to thin it down. There you go, that's the consistency you want, guys. So what you do now is you just leave it on low heat for about 15 minutes or so, and then the oil and so forth will rise to the top, and it is all good to use. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe for a small pot of base gravy, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. There we go, guys, our base gravy has been simmering away for about 10 minutes actually, and check it out, it is all ready to use. You can go away and make your Indian restaurant style curries straight away, and this smells absolutely gorgeous, guys. So enjoy the recipe. Hopefully you enjoyed this and it's going to help you. Instead of making big pots of base gravy, you can make a small pot as and when you need it. About hour 20 minutes, hour half, it's ready for you.